Have you ever found yourself needing to make an international call but unsure if your phone plan could handle it? Or maybe you've been looking for a more affordable way to stay connected with loved ones across the globe. So you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of Ooma and exploring the countries you can call with this popular VoIP service. VoIP explained. Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly touch on what VoIP is. It stands for Voice over Internet Protocol, and it's essentially a way to make phone calls using the internet instead of traditional phone lines. This means you can often make cheaper international calls and enjoy features like call waiting, voicemail, and even video calling. Ooma's popularity. Ooma has gained a reputation for being a reliable and affordable VoIP provider. It offers a variety of plans to suit different needs, including residential and business options. But the question remains, where can you actually use Ooma to make calls? The Ooma Calling Map. Global reach. Ooma boasts a pretty impressive global reach. You can typically make calls to a wide range of countries, including most developed nations and many developing ones. However, it's important to note that coverage can vary depending on factors like your specific plan and the quality of the internet connection in the country you're calling. Key regions. To give you a better idea, let's break down some key regions where Ooma is widely available. North America. Ooma is a popular choice in the United States and Canada. You can typically make unlimited calls within these countries, as well as to many other destinations. Europe. Ooma offers competitive rates for calls to European countries. Whether you're connecting with family in the UK or business associates in Germany, you can often do so at a fraction of the cost of traditional phone plans. Asia. Asia is another region where Ooma has a strong presence. You can make calls to countries like Japan, China, India, and South Korea, among others. Australia and New Zealand. Ooma also provides coverage for calls to Australia and New Zealand. Specific countries. While we can't list every single country supported by Ooma, here are a few examples to give you an idea. United States, Canada, Mexico, UK, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, China, Japan, India, Australia, New Zealand, Brazil, South Africa. Additional considerations. Keep in mind that there may be certain restrictions or limitations based on your specific Ooma plan. For instance, some plans may have usage limits or exclude certain international destinations. It's always a good idea to check the details of your plan to ensure it meets your calling needs. Tips for using Ooma internationally. Internet quality. A stable internet connection is crucial for making clear and reliable international calls with Ooma. Consider using a wired connection or a high-quality Wi-Fi network whenever possible. Time zones. Be mindful of time zone differences when making international calls. It's always helpful to plan your calls around convenient times for both you and the person you're calling. Emergency calls. While Ooma can be used for emergency calls in the United States and Canada, it's important to note that it may not be the best option for international emergencies. In such cases, it's advisable to use a traditional phone line or a local emergency number. So, to recap, Ooma offers a convenient and affordable way to make international calls to a wide range of countries. Whether you're staying in touch with loved ones or conducting business, Ooma can provide a reliable solution. If you're interested in learning more about Ooma or signing up for a plan, I encourage you to visit their website or contact their customer support. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.